Hello guys, back to another Excel Gob video. I'm Excel Gob. Never mind, welcome to another video, and today we're about to see what is in the eggs, Easter eggs, but it's kind of cool. Also, let's see what they are. So, about the eggs, we're about to see. Eggs. Egg cannon is as an egg cannon. As you can see, all the eggs are correct. And here in the purple egg is a light bulb. What also can be bought in shop. As you can see, bulb is buyable. You can buy it if you don't have any purple eggs. So, if you click it, the bulb turns on, off, on, off. A pretty cool thing. Next one, my favorite, is parachute block. Like this. What makes parachute? You can buy this block too in the shop. As this sign says, keeps things falling at slow pace. Pretty good. Then is the best. This is the switch from the electrical egg event. You don't like the red color? You can color it any color you like. Maybe make that egg. But with this parachute block, you can also make a human parachute. So let's make one. It's pretty easy. Just pop the egg, remove seed, and place a green egg there. It works. Make a color you like. Not make a blue color. Okay, that was just my arm. Whatever. Also, we'll need a jetpack to get on something. Okay, then let's answer all and get on something like this tree. Okay, so let's see how this works. Like this. Well, pretty cool. Stuff can be created, but best thing is with this screwdriver tool, like this box. It's normally not transportable, and this is not transportable too. But this time, you can transport it down however you want. Box too. Then you can also see all the parts inside. Or just make it 100% transport and troll your friends. Like this. Well, I just discovered one more thing, really creepy thing about this update. So, egg cannon. As a normal egg cannon. But candy, the little candy. If you eat one, of course you become smaller. About the egg cannon, you're completely invincible in it. Well, let's shoot. But this is creepy. But you can't. I've fallen in my self trap. But you already got a tiny power, and that means that it's just an error. I did not report it. Please report it yourself. But never mind, that's it. Guys, that's it. Cool things. Kinda cool things is happening right now. So if you was not in this Easter update, you will never get this Switch. I got already 32 of them. Well, that's the update. So see you in the next video. Bye.